So a few videos ago I built a bottle rocket, and then on that video I received a comment saying which would work better, either have it for the fuel, either having Sprite or like some kind of soda here, or just regular water. So that's what I'm going to test today, just to see which one will launch the rocket higher. So if we come down here, it's pretty well the same setup, a similar kind of bottle. I've got the same exact cork with the bike valve in there, so I'll push that in place of the lid. My launch pad here will sit like that. I'll put the pump onto the bike valve there, and obviously pump air into it until it flies up. And of course, you know, have water in the container there first, and then I'll do Sprite, and we'll I'll try my best to capture and try to work out which one actually goes better. I'll do a few tests too. But that's all there is for the explanation at the start. Let's get right into it. Alright, so you may have noticed that I drew a line on the bottle here. That's just so I can keep it kind of consistent with how much liquid I'm using. So water's in here at the moment. Then I'll put the Sprite in there too, and I'll try to keep it as level with that line as I can. So I'll draw a line on here too, just so I can keep the cork, push the cork in the same depth as well, to keep that as accurate as possible as well. So you're pretty much on that line actually, it's already on the bottle, but I'll draw one anyway. Cool. Alright, so I'm probably way out of focus, maybe exposure's a bit off too, but the camera's going to be staying right here, and we're launching from over there, and I'll try to keep things as consistent as I can. But let's go launch the water one first. Alright, we're good. 1, 2, 3. There it is. How's that? That kind of went down and straight out. Don't know how well you can see this, but already the one of the lids is broken. That'd be fine. I can either make another one or just use that same thing again. But that launched at a very sharp angle. Didn't quite go upwards. Well, that's all right. Hopefully the soda one will do the same thing, so we can compare. But yeah, that's the water one done. Let's do the soda. It's going to be sticky. Oh, look at that. That's fizzing up. It's like bubbling. I regret this already. A scientific conclusion, that was way better. I got covered that time. When I was pumping it, it was like fizzing up a lot. And then that had so much more power and thrust and everything. So, I mean, already off the bat, I can already tell that is so much better than water. I'm gonna do one water again, one soda again, you know, just to make sure, but yeah, that's it. So as you can see, I'm completely covered in mostly this. Initially, for the very first Sprite launch, it worked way better than the water one. The second water one worked better than the first water one, and the second Sprite one looked pretty similar to the second water one, I think. I'm gonna have to do some reviewing on the footage just to act. I just want to put a quick insert in here really quick. I've got the results there. I've analysed the footage a bit. Basically, water 1 went higher than soda 1, but didn't go further than soda 1. But water number 2 got both higher and further than soda number 1. So to me, it's a little rough. I know the test isn't exactly scientific. I only did 2 tests on each. I've tried to keep the variables as similar as possible, but you know, it's a little rough, so hopefully you can forgive me on that one. But basically, I'd say the water actually did perform slightly better than the soda. So, and considering the test is very short, only 2 of each again, I think it's safe to say one does not essentially perform better than the other. They're pretty well the same as far as it goes. So I just want to also thank Sans there for the comment, for the suggestion on this video. That was really good. I enjoyed that one a lot. Hopefully you did enjoy that too. Hopefully you enjoyed it enough to subscribe. Is that too cheesy? Yes. I'll use it anyway. So yeah, thanks for watching. Also, yeah, behind the camera is Aiden. I want to thank him for coming out too. He launched the second water one. Yeah, thanks to Aiden for coming out to help me film this video. And that's all there is to it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.